It's all right. I heard the slurp. Is he running at you? Nice, snug. Yeah, it is. All right, so much for the rust.
Got a mouthful of hooks too, and going under. Went under that dock. Throw some up in that corner up there, but watch them power lines, dude. That's why I came out today.
Yeah, exactly. Mission accomplished. You thought you forgot how to fish.
Got it up under the fucking gill plate.
All right, there you go.
This went into the dock, dude.
I heard the slurp.
Well, it was a slurp.
It wasn't, yeah. Yeah.
Missed off. Yep. Keep flapping, honey.
We got a couple of manatees right in front of me here.
Scallop Monday. Whatever it is.
Landon, you see him coming up?
Yeah, they were talking about it last night on the TV about how, you know, they're just not getting the crowds. There's not enough people coming, and you know, some of the vendors are they're pulling out already, even though it goes till Monday, right? Wind, you can hear the power plant.
Oh, I just had a hit.
Is that it?
Yeah, right at the point.
Top water?
Yeah. I wasn't watching it. I heard it and felt it. So since I wasn't watching it, I should have caught it. Because I didn't pull till I felt it. Let's go back through there again.
A little bit. I found something like this for 700.
There you go.
Red?
Yeah, a little red.
Soft plastic?
No. Redfish Magic.
Ha ha!
Magic. Do you believe in magic?
Good summertime bait.
Eye catcher.
Yeah, it's an eye catcher and it's also a lot of vibration.
Yeah.
All right, putting the top water away. I had my one chance. I blew it. I'm gonna juice up a little bit here. My Procure. There we go. Let's get the Slayer. 4-inch on there. Pinter's color. Let that marinate. Maybe see this before I ordered these little bottles with the applicator on them. Put the Fro cure in, sticks nicely. No muss, no fuss, nothing. Great stuff.
A trout
That's what it looks like.
on the live target sardine. He ate that whole freaking live target sardine. Be damned.
All right, now you just need to snook for the slam.
Yeah, right?
We got something coming up here in front of me. Manatee. Yeah. Falling butt. There's its footprints. Boom, 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 boom. All right, Landon's on. I had a really tough time getting my camera started, but Landon is on. Looks like it's got some shoulders, huh? All right. Yeah! Landon with his first red on his own.
Yeah, it looks like.
If it's 18, we're taking him home.
Stay in the boat.
The other way. They get the nose against the bump.
Nose against bump. Might have to undo his.
Yeah, just put the nose and squeeze it, and it's too small. 17 and 7/8.
No!
Really, that was 17 and 7/8. It has to be 18.
Escapee from Alcatraz.
So you just go ahead and grab him by the tail
And just
and hold him in the water. Here on this side here. Just hold him down there. Make sure he's ready to go. Give him a little breath. Yeah, just 17. Cool, man. Hey, good job. Good job. Right here on the along the shore, huh?
Yep.
Yeah,
Just cast it right into the shore.
Yeah.
Uh,
All right.
Cast actually.
Now watch your rod in the mangroves there.
Pick him up for you.
Crap.
Right here. Coming right towards you. See it? Scars on his back? Right underneath you. Right? See the scars right there? See them? 2 of them. 3 of them.
Manatee?
Yeah, right up here. 4.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see him? The nose coming up?
The edge of that fucking hole.
See him? Right there?
Oh, yeah.
1 here. There's 1, 2. So come right where I am. There. Looks like a snook down there with him.
Huh?
A snook with him. See him in between? Is that a snook?
Yep.
So come right here, Landon. You can see them. They're right there. 2 of them. 2 more out there. Another one. It's coming up right here. See him? All right, we're heading back, fighting the tide. There's a bear through this little channel here, and it's ripping pretty good, so. Come on. ease up on us until we get around the corner and things get wider. So what do we have? Landon with a 17 7/8 red. Brian with 2 small reds. He didn't take pics. I didn't get one on film. Matt with 2 small reds. He's got pics. I'll see if they'll send them to me. I can post them. Oh, and Landon got the small trout. And yours truly? Nada. 1 blow up on the top water. And that was it. Bunch of mangroves tearing at the soft plastic. But mission accomplished. We haven't been on the water in well over a month and a half, damn near 2. Landon got his first red, which was cool. So Brian got the rust off first thing in the morning. Matt as well. I'm still rusty as can be. But good to get out. Good to get a video up. So yeah, no complaints. I guess that'll do it. Later.